The next day, Elaine is brought to visit the community hospital in Bwindi to gain an understanding of the challenges they face.
We are at the local hospital. I'd like to introduce you to Patricia, who is going to be our guide today.
The hospital is not able to provide for our patients meals. They can be able to prepare food from here and then they can bring you on wards.
Okay, so family can cook for you.
Yes.
That experience changed my life. I was amazed at what they could do in the variety of programs that they offer, and they are pinching pennies.
Yes.
Take care of
Or aunties.
yeah, and an auntie or an elder sister.
Yeah.
At least someone who's able to take care of that. This is usually for for nutrition and so
A neonatal.
yeah,
Okay.
where now babies or prematures are admitted. Yeah, she's a nurse. She works
Hello.
in the pediatric.
I've come from Canada to do a video.
So usually this is the section where we admit prematures, and
We got to the neonatal emergency unit and walked through a very ordinary door, and I came around the corner and there were two little babies that were no more than that long.
How premature was this baby?
And they had been born at 24 and 26 weeks. I noticed one of them had oxygen and the other one didn't, and they didn't look much different from in different condition. And so I said to the nurse who was showing me around, oh, I see one's on oxygen. And she said, well, that's actually an infant CPAP system. And I said, oh, CPAP. And I said, well, what about this one? And she said, we only have one. Well, where's the CPAP machine? And she said, well, it's not actually a machine. She leaned down under the bassinet and pulled back this little curtain. And there was this bottle that looked like a 2-liter Coke bottle with a tube stuck in it. And the seal was white medical tape. And it was connected to another generator, something or other. This was the best that they had, and there was one. I was filled with anger, but at the same time, deep sadness that this was somebody's baby, and they were going to be playing tag with one gerrymandered CPAP machine. 15 to 20% of the babies that are born die because of a lack of available oxygen. This is too much inequality. Like where we live, there's inequality. There's inequality everywhere. All right, there's no point in moaning about that. This goes too far.
Elaine sets up a fundraiser to purchase new CPAP machines to replace the outdated system currently in use.
So we got to the administrator's office.
Thank you very much for your time. It's nice meeting you.
The administrator was able to send me the cost. Danny Yang at Pigeon Medical, he worked with me over 6 months while I raised the money. 44 other people got behind it. And we're talking $25, $15, all right? Our lowest donation was $5, but that $5 is like $200 to her.